Keep it coming. Yeah, sorry, careful. Look, yeah, thank you. And we're just going to take it in here. Thanks.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, what's going on here?
Well, you said I could bring anything I like.
Well, yeah, of course you can, but I didn't think you'd bring a whole piano.
It's Mum's.
Okay. Why don't we put it in the back room?
No, the acoustics are much better in there. Sorry, can you please take it in there? Thank you.
Well, hang on, guys. Heather, look, you know I'm delighted to have you here, I am, but if you're going to live in my house, you've got to live by my rules, okay? And one of those rules is no loud music.
If I'm going to disturb you, then maybe I shouldn't live
Well,
here.
no, come on, that's not what I meant, is it? Look, you're more than welcome here,
And
okay?
the acoustics are much better in there.
Hey, how was school? Mike?
Fine. Can you please bring it back in here?
Thank you.
It's only temporary anyway.
This train is the Southern service to London Victoria.
I have one of those somewhere here. Ah, yes. So if you just want to fill in your new address and then sign the top half. Wait, no. Bottom half. When will this update? Well, it will update automatically because we share a database.
You sure? It's just that I'm applying for the Young Fellowship and the deadline is in a few days.
Yes, I'm positive.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Heather. I'm so sorry.
I'm fine. Really, I'm okay.
Are you sure you're ready to come back?
Yes. I've missed so much and I really don't want to waste any more time.
Good, good. So, you've got your mother's piano?
Not quite how I would have liked, but...
She would have wanted you to have it. I'm sure of that. Well, we'd better get started. We've got the Bach concertos coming up, and of course your mother's memorial. And the Juilliard auditions on the 21st of March.
We've announced the dates already.
Only a few weeks to the audition of a lifetime.
I'm so behind. I'm not prepared. At this rate, I probably won't even get
A man
in.
comes up to Jesse Heifetz, the greatest violinist in the world, on 57th Street in Manhattan, and says to him, "Could you tell me the way to Carnegie Hall?" And Jesse Heifetz says,
Practice.
"Have I told you that one before?"